How to get seeds from your tropical plants or scarce plants. Hello, welcome to 7 Sevens Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So here I've been trying to get seeds of this tropical plant. This is a tropical plant that we can't find anywhere around here. And I've been trying to get seeds for them. And I finally figured out how you can get seeds for your tropical plants and special plants like this with them producing seeds, as you can see. Producing seeds like that. And I've been trying the past couple of years and I was finally able to figure it out. Even though some of the leaves look like they're drying, some of these are drying, but you can see they produce, they're different. They're two different kinds. This is the real sweet bitter leaf, and this is sweet bitter leaf, or what I usually call bekang. So they're producing seeds right now, and I'm able to get seeds. Once the seeds are really mature, they turn into gray and they turn into this. So this is ready to be harvested, and then should be able to use it for next grow season. So definitely, so what I did was I brought it into my grow tent right here. I brought all the plants from outside at the beginning of fall or winter. I brought all of them into this grow tent, and I increased the this is my grow light. I have two of them right here. So what I did was I increased the intensity of the grow light, and that way it provides enough light for them to produce seeds like this. So so you just have to make sure that it has enough sunlight, because of the tropical intensity of light in the tropics. You need that same intensity of light here to be able to mimic and produce flowers and produce seeds. So that's what I did. I increased the intensity. I didn't put it at a max. It's close to 70% of the capacity of the light. It's not up to 100%. It's close to 60 or 70% of the capacity of the light, and it was able to produce the seeds for me. So I'm gonna be able to have seeds for the next growing season. So I'm gonna do the same and just try, because these we can't find the seeds around here anywhere. So that's what I'm gonna keep doing, and just make sure that I bring some containers in to my grow tent, and just make sure that I keep good enough light for it so that I get some seeds. So awesome. So let me know in the comments below if you've had the same situation, or you've been looking for a particular seed for a particular plant. Let me know in the comments below. But I think this is a way to go with it. As long as you have a good light, a good grow light like this one. I'll put a link to some of the stuff like the tent and the grow light. I'll put a link in the description. If you have a grow light and a tent like this one, you're able to generate that intensity of light, and then the plants will start producing flowers. So I can't wait to get seeds from these seeds. I've harvested. I'll show you in a couple of minutes. I harvested some of the seeds from these ones, so I'm just waiting for these ones to be ready, and then I'll be able to harvest them, and we're gonna be able to have some seeds going forward. So it's in the middle of winter right now, so hopefully within a month or so we're gonna start planting stuff outside in the greenhouse, and try to start our seedlings. We're gonna start our seedlings very soon, so definitely can't wait for this winter to be over, and then we can start growing our seedlings and start growing outside. So these I just use this grow tent mostly for my tropical plants that I don't have the seeds, and you can't find the seeds around here anyway. So like I said, I have sweet bitter leaf, you have bekang, and you also have anchia right there. This is Anchia right here. The seeds, as you can see, the seeds are coming out, or the flowers are coming out over there. And then over here I have lemongrass or fever grass that's also growing over here. So it helps me maintain all of these, and I'm able to get the seedlings, or I can use the stems at the beginning of the growth season. All I need to do is if I didn't get the seeds from these, ones like these, what I can do is what I did in the past was just cut the stems and use the stems as seedlings. I have a couple of videos that show you how to use stems to start new seedlings. I'll put the link in the description below. But that's what I've been doing, just using the stems to start new seedlings. But with the seeds coming out, of these, I'm gonna be able to get the seeds to start my plants and be able to get even more, because the seeds gonna produce a lot more than if I was just using the stems. Okay, so this is what I've harvested so far. As you can see, this is what I harvested so far. This is just one, and inside you have a ton of seeds. Let me just break this up. You see, look at this one. It gives you at least 30 to 40 seeds, so you can take a closer look at it. So those are the seeds right there, and I'm gonna be able to plant these and get more plants. So all these will give me at least, I'll say, 200 to 300 seeds, and I still have a lot growing. As I just showed you, there's still a lot growing. You can see the seeds right there. So those are the seeds that I got. So it's a little really dry right now, so definitely gonna be able to plant these and get more plants from them. So those are the seeds that I got from that method of high intensity light. So definitely awesome. Okay, that is it for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, if this video gives you value, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel grow. And please don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, might help somebody else and be able to grow some other stuff that they have, some other scarce plants that they have, be able to get seedlings. So help and share it with somebody that might be interested in that. Friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, share the video and help the channel. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and take care and happy growing, everybody.